Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G22, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To improve battery life on Nokia G22, firstly we need to open the control panel. So open the control panel and just take a closer look of all of these items. So here, as you can see, we have all services. All services we have on our device, we have it here in control panel. And now I just suggest you to disable all unnecessary services. So all services you don't need right now. For example, if you're using mobile internet right now, just disable the Wi-Fi. If you don't need to use Bluetooth right now, disable it. Disable mobile data if you don't need it right now. Disable the nearby share if you don't need to share files right now. Disable all unnecessary features, and of course you need to find location services, drag it to the upper part of your screen and disable it too, because this is unused service if you don't need to use maps right now. So all of these services are constantly searching for nearby networks. For example, Wi-Fi, constantly searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks, nearby share for nearby devices, Bluetooth for nearby Bluetooth devices, and all of these services are consuming your battery power. And the second step you can do is to reduce the brightness of your screen. So reduce the brightness of your screen. In this way it will help to improve battery life on your device. And here on our Nokia G22 we have LCD IPS screen. It means that dark mode is useless because we have only one big lamp under our screen, and dark mode will not help us to improve battery life. So on these devices we can only open battery and find here battery saver, enable it, and of course you can enable super battery saver. So turn it on, wait a while. In the super battery saver mode you can use only 6 applications. So we have only 3 standard applications and you can add 3 custom applications. But I suggest you don't do it because it will make your super power saving mode useless. So I suggest you use it only with these 3 apps. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.